Fast-moving action, ultra smooth. Enjoy smoother motion and transitions on this Sony BRAVIA 4K TV with high 120Hz refresh rate. You'll also see sharp details in fast-moving scenes with Motion Flow XR. This innovative technology creates and inserts extra frames between the original ones, comparing key visual factors on successive frames, then calculating the split second of missing action in the sequences. Super 4K resolution, whatever you're watching. See glorious 4K pictures, rich with real-world detail and texture, exclusively powered by our 4K HDR processor X1. Images filmed in 2K and even HDR upscaled close to 4K levels of detail by 4KX Reality Pro using a unique 4K database. Hear high-quality sound. Designed to complement the sound quality and slimness of the TV with its unique new shape, our X-Balance speaker drives movies and music with clear sound. Experience the thrills of the theater. See all your favorite movies in a new way with more drama and realism on a 4K Ultra HD TV that's designed to create a real theater experience at home. Dolby Vision brings scenes to life authentically, while Dolby Atmos fills the room with immersive sound. Hands-free help from Google. With hands-free voice control built into Google TV, you can set aside your remote and simply use your voice to control your TV. Ask Google to find a specific title, search by genre, and get personalized recommendations on what to watch by saying, "Okay Google, what should I watch?" Even get answers on screen, control smart home devices, and more. Flush surface for more immersive viewing. As the bezel is extremely narrow, your eyes naturally focus on the picture, not what's around it. Versatile premium stand, designed for any TV positioning. A versatile two-way stand gives you the choice of a standard setting that focuses you on the picture or a narrow setting for smaller shelves. Supreme pictures and sound, whatever the environment. Sit back and enjoy an enthralling viewing experience. Our unique ambient optimization technology with light sensor automatically adjusts picture and sound to your environment. Discover new ways to enjoy TV with BRAVIA Cam. Explore an array of fun new TV experiences with BRAVIA Cam, including gesture controls, and much more. Enjoy video chat with friends and family on the big screen. Catch up with your friends and family on the big screen. Enjoy more fun when you pair your TV with BRAVIA Cam. Renew and recycle, designed with the environment in mind. Our BRAVIA TVs are designed for immersive experiences with the environment in mind. We are committed to using less virgin plastic in our TVs and packaging. The X85K uses recycled plastics in its bezel. Our unique backlight control technologies, BRAVIA Cam and sensors not only deliver high picture quality but also reduce power consumption. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.